Hello Andy, welcome back to Sri Tara Designs Rajahmundry. So this is one more beautiful set of sarees andi. Manki pattu style lo vastundi, semi pattu lo vastundi, adi kuda chanderi lo. But it's not harsh and rough undadandi, chala lightweight and soft on the body untundi. So saree detailing lo kelte we have this bright pink with light pink combination anamata, contrast combination lo. Saree anta middle part all over manki itla buta weavings vachinayandi, complete weaving lo. And border part we have this light pink with traditional kind of border andi, complete ga. Very lightweight and chala soft on the fabric. Manki small occasions ki very apt. And for this we have this pallu andi. Itla manki pallu ochindi, manchiga zari lines vachi. And deenki blouse kuda manki contrast lone ochindandi. We have this contrast pink color blouse like this with booties and with border also close up low. So next color we have this bottle green with light green. Bottle green ki we have this light green andi, same saree, same design, just the color combination differs. And then we have this purple with lavender, purple ki lavender ochindi. And tarvata we have this peacock blue andi, peacock blue ki we have this light sea green kind of color combination. And then we have this one more dark purple with lavender.